Thank Allah. Allah has given you a chance to put your head on the ground. Thank Him. Take your time in sujood. أَقْرَبُ مَا يَكُونُ الْعَبْدُ لِرَبِّهِ وَهُوَ سَاجِدٌ. The closest you can ever be to your Lord is in the position of sujood. Take your time. Take your time, my brothers, my sisters. Take your time in sujood, no matter what. You are close to Allah. Take your time. Relax. You will heal. Your problems will be solved and dissolved. Why? You are with the Lord of the worlds. What do you have? What are you suffering? What are you struggling? Pray. 2 units of prayer. Ask Allah. Cry to Allah. What do you want? First, call out to Allah. Firstly, you ask Allah. Ya ghulam, إذا سألت فاسأل الله وإذا استعنت فاستعن بالله. Oh young man, when you are asking, ask Allah. First ask Allah. You ask Allah.